In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get Mysterium VPN for free. So first, you can access it, of course, in their official website at mysteriumvpn.com. And here's the important part. Mysterium VPN is not completely free. It's a paid service, but there are few legit ways to use it without paying upfront. Some users get free trial credits or limited access when they first sign up, but it varies by promo or region. You can also look for referral codes or giveaways that provide small free balance. Advanced users can run a node and earn credits on the other hand, which can then be used for VPN access. Mysterium works on as pay as you use system, meaning you spend small amounts based on your traffic instead of a flat subscription. But also be vigilant and avoid free unlimited Mysterium VPN hacks that you might see across the internet, for those are usually scams or fake generators. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!